weaker. And this video is also about recycling. Here are some things you can recycle. Hey, you can recycle wood. If someone throws trash in the ocean, like this cardboard that you cannot see, my little brother Rachi is gonna demonstrate.
That's me.
Okay, Rachi, throw that in the cardboard with the ocean. Okay, here is a fish that is gonna eat. Here is a fish that is looking for food. Here it is. And here's some trash here. And she's heading to it and she thinks it's food. So she eats it and she'll like kind of say, ew, yuck. What is this? I don't like this. And she'll say, I'm weaker. This will happen. And if people throw like more and more, and by 2050, everything will be polluted. Everything will be like everyone's polluted.
And I got roti.
Some trash, like storm drains, connect to the ocean. That's where the fish and other sea animals like sea lions and other fish or sea turtles or jellyfish are. And if they eat this, they will get sick. They will get sick. They'll get sick and they'll get weaker.
I need to make some more trash.
What time?
They'll get weaker. If this fish that is on the cardboard with the ocean that you cannot see, like again, like if there's this, let's pretend that this paper is food, and we put it in the ocean.
Anna, look at that.
Look, and
There's some more trash.
And if this fish eats this food, it's very healthy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I like this. Wait,
my brother doing a video.
and if there's more trash, people are polluting more. And I already told you what will happen by 2050. They'll get weaker and the whole environment will be like polluted. This is our end of our video.